Joe Carollo's home could be yours for the right price. The Miami City Commissioner's house is going up for auction to help pay for the $63 million judgment against him. And Local 10's Christina Vasquez live now with what she's learned today. Christina.
And so the U.S. Marshals, Miami, they are confirming that that scheduled public auction is happening next month. So the plaintiff's attorneys are saying that Joe Carollo's home right here in Coconut Grove, it could be yours if you're the highest bidder very soon. But the Miami commissioner is saying not so fast. He's fighting this in court.
My position is that we never abandon Homestead.
Miami Commissioner Joe Carollo, a day after filing an emergency motion asking a judge to stop this, the scheduled public auction of his Grove home on March 19th.
It's not going to happen.
Anyone can buy the house. It'll go to the highest bidder.
Jeff Gutchis represents the plaintiffs who won a federal civil suit against Carollo, the jury finding the commissioner responsible for violating the First Amendment rights of two Little Havana businessmen, to include the owner of Ball and Chain, awarding a multi-million-dollar judgment. Carollo insists he can keep the home.
The law says that I have Homestead. Otherwise, maybe even you, Christina, might be sued tomorrow. And they'll try to do the same thing to you and your home if someone wins a judgment against you.
But Gutchis argues years ago, Carollo abandoned his homestead.
Famous abandonment of a homestead.
A reference to when under oath, Carollo successfully convinced the judge he wasn't living in his Grove home to fend off a District 3 residency qualification challenge.
A lot of evidence of him sneaking around in the dark in that neighborhood for many years.
The Grove home later looped into District 3 during Miami's redistricting process, a voting map wrapped up in a separate federal case. Gutchis believes that judge's imminent ruling could also impact whether Carollo can keep his house in this case.
What could be more egregious than a public official redrawing voting maps for his own personal asset protection?
I have Homestead, and he knows that what he's saying is a lot of malarkey.
Back out here live, where I can tell you literally just minutes ago, a driver pulled up and they were scanning the front door of this Grove home, Miami Commissioner Joe Carollo's home, trying to find out when this public auction is, because he said he was already interested in bidding on it. So I will tell you what I just told that gentleman, which is stay tuned. This remains a developing story. In fact, legal analysts in reviewing these two at friction arguments to the court about Homestead said ultimately it'll be up for the judge to decide. Reporting live for you, I'm Christina Vasquez, Local 10 News.
An ongoing legal and political saga in Miami. Thanks a lot there, Christina.